What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm back with another Five Below Shop with Me, and this time I'm going to show some of the items that you have been requesting to see. So listen for your name, because you might hear your name in a shout out. So many of you told me things that you wanted to see, so I am here to share with you guys those items that you really want to see the most from Five Below. So let's go ahead and get started. Melinda wanted to see lip gloss and lip balms, but I saw these and I thought of her because I know she really loves seeing the nail polishes too, and this is definitely a new set this week. And this is a set by Simple Pleasures. It's $5 and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 polishes, and it says Mermazing. And I think these colors are just really, really pretty. I really like this brand. I'm actually wearing the color Guava from here, from the Fresh Paint line today. And I have this one at home as well. And I love this color. This color is called 11. I've been thinking about getting this one too. I really love this creamy green. This one is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Oh, so pretty. This is one of my favorite colors to wear to the pool. Okay, Melinda, let's head over to the lip balms and the lip glosses. We'll see if there's any new lip balms down here. They have the little Tsum Tsums for $5. I'm not sure if you collect these. And these are just some of the basic ones here by EOS, Chapstick, Blistex, Carmex. Let's see if we have anything new over here in the lip balms. Oh, look at this one for $4. No Drama Llama and little cactus with a mustache. I love that. These are both in the flavors Berry Smoothie. And then we have a JoJo Siwa pack for $5. Whoa, these are the jumbo lip balms. Those are so much fun. I remember these from when I was a kid. Hatchimals, Shimmer and Shine. I think these are new. Oh wow, we're already getting some Halloween items. Nightmare Before Christmas. These are definitely new. Unicorn Universe. Again, these are $4. Iridescent lip glosses. And then some semi-matte finishes down here for $2.49 as well. That color looks kind of pretty. Matte liquid lipsticks for $4.99. This is a nice big size. And then we have for $2.99 Shape, Line, and Fill. Ooh, what's this? Pink Electric. It's a gel lip liner. Nice. Carolyn and Leah, you requested to see some new makeup, so we're going to take a look and see what we have that might be new over here in the makeup section. These are so pretty. These are lip balms, but they have little flowers in them. They're just clear. We have this humongous palette for $5. It's contour and blush, and we are getting a lot of product. They had a lip scrub here a couple weeks ago that I was really hoping to find again, but they might be sold out. These are also $5, mostly red shades: cherry, strawberry, cranberry, raspberry, and blackberry. It says apply mask generously. Allow to dry for 10 minutes. Peel off and enjoy 10 hours of flawless lip color. I love that idea. I see a bunch of reds, and then there's one set of nudes in the very back. But that's going to be a little too hard to take out, you guys. Oh, but wait, do we have some pinks? Oh, we do. We have some pinks, you guys. Again, also $5. Wow, I really like this concept. If any of you have tried this, please let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these lip tattoos. I think this set might be new by Jackie and Lauren. It's a $5 set, and most of the colors are very natural to nude. And then we have another set over here, and these are more darker, sort of vampy colors. Really, really pretty. They have a huge display of Wet n Wild makeup here, which includes some of these makeup brushes that we often can find at Dollar Tree. These white ones with the pretty pink tips. Some of these are 99 cents. They're mostly 99 cents going up to $2.99. This big one is $2.99. Let's see if I can get it down. This is a powder brush. I really like mine. I'm still using mine from about a year ago. I have a variety of those. I just really love those. And then they have a lot of mascaras here, ranging from $2.49 all the way up to $4.99. Of course, you guys, since there's nothing that can be more than $5 here, this is a $4.99 mascara. This is the Max Volume Plus in Amped Black. This one is just $2.49. This is a Mega Protein mascara. I like that they have a variety of products here. I'm loving this scrubby for just $1. It has a nice thick elastic strap. It's like pink and blue and purple and ombre. Just $1, you guys. They have purples, they have grays. I think this is a great deal. Okay, Anna Laura, now it's your turn. You requested to see some clothing. Now, again, most of these items are just $5, and this shirt is definitely new this week. This denim style shirt that's off the shoulders. It's super cute. And then we also have a pink cotton shirt back here that's also off the shoulders. And I think these little palm shorts with the pineapples are new this week too. They have a very stretchy waistband, and I've heard that they're very, very thin and somewhat sheer, so just a heads up. And over here it looks like we have some new terry cloth shorts for $5. I don't remember seeing the purple last time I came in. These would be super cute to sleep in. These little off-the-shoulder tops are new in the black and the white. And then these shorts are also new. It's really, really bright. Some of these are fraying, so definitely check your pair before you take them home. Let's go ahead and head back here and see if there are any other new clothing items since last week. I think some of these might be new, these little dresses. Again, these are all just $5. Oh, that one's pretty. These would make cute little pool cover-ups. They're very lightweight. Aditya, you wanted to see some beauty items and some snacks, so this bath bomb is just for you. I think it is super cute. This is brand new this week. I have never seen a pineapple bath bomb before. I think it's just amazing. We also have this slice of watermelon down here, and also some cute little shower fizzers. These are pineapple scented, berry sorbet. We have fresh melon, and also aloe and cucumber. I really love the Freeman brand. I've been using the Freeman brand for a long time, but they have a big variety of masks, and I love that they're just $4. Monica, I wanted to show you these new banana stickers. These are brand new this week, and they're super cute. The kitties just getting in all sorts of trouble in the banana. Pink bananas, yellow bananas. They're so cute. These are by Sandy Lion, and we get 4 sheets. I think these are $2. I'm not seeing too many new stickers over here. They mostly have $2 stickers and then also some $1 stickers. I think the Sandy Lion stickers are so cute. Look at these. Tina, I know you wanted to see stationery, but I couldn't resist showing this to you because this is a $5 sketchbook, and it looks so amazing. They have different marble prints, and you guys are going to go crazy over this one. This one is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Back to you, Monica, because right above those sketchbooks we have some art supplies, and again, they vary in price from mostly $2 to $5. This is a $5 set of colored pencils. We have some pastels for $5 and some oil pastels, which I just love, also for $5. And then they also have the acrylic paints. They even have neon and metal acrylic paint colors for $5. Dollar markers, a 30 count of markers for just $3. Silky crayons, ooh, twistable soft crayons for $5. And I love the case. It really reminds me of the company ooey. You guys know how much I love ooey. They have packaging similar to this. Erasable twist up crayons by the brand Create Your Own. These are also $5. And then a nice big pack of 28 drawing pencils for just $5. Unicorn paint brushes, perfect for water and oil-based paints. Love those. So Tina, I'm not really seeing many planner items, but I am seeing journals here. $3 journals. And they have a nice variety of journals. This has 160 lined pages. We have a lot of different colors. Maybe for bullet journals or traveler's journals, traveler's notebooks, whatever you want to do with these. This one has sort of a canvas texture. I kind of like it. Hashtag hello. We have some glittery ones. Super pretty. This is really sturdy and nice. We have pink. And a nice black back here. I really like the black. And then we have some up top here. Let your true colors shine. And this is a light up journal. I really am loving this canvas. Focused, intelligent, motivated. Oh, and cute. And then this one has a really nice upscale look. And it's also featured in this really pretty and brilliant, like yellowy orange. I really love that. Oh, I like the flower print on this. These just feel really nice to touch. I think we're going to end with some snacks and candies for Aditya. Aditya wanted to see what they offered here at Five Below, and I can say they have a lot of jerky. They have turkey jerky and perky jerky and meat sticks and pork cuts, chipotle, chili lime, basil citrus, lots and lots of jerkies, and most of them range anywhere from $1.29 for the Slim Jims, and then most of the jerkies are between $2.99 and $4.99. And then they have lots of popcorn here. They have lots of Boom Chicka Pop, and then they have salty things like chips and sunflower seeds. They have the Harvest Snaps here for $1.99. The combos, different flavors of combos. Ooh, I love these. I love these wasabi peas. They're just $1.99 here. Money on Honey. Wildflower, honey, caramel, dark chocolate, brown rice, crispy. These are $4.99. Those look really good. And then let's see what we have over here. We have Kind bars and Cliff bars, trail mixes for like $2.99, and nuts. We have a variety of bark thins. These are all $4.99. And on to the candies. We have our Lints up here for 99 cents if you want just a little something. And then we have our Ghirardelli and Lint bars down here. What's this? Churro, cheeky churro, crafted with joy. Oh, that sounds amazing. That's $4.99, you guys. We have Bacon Luxus, cheeky churro, oh my s'mores, honeycomb, potato chip, totally tangy, mango, popcorn pop, ooey almond, and firecracker. Those are all $4.99. They all sound amazing. They have so much here, you guys. We could just talk about food for the length of a whole video. And then they have, look at these, you guys. They have the little Hello Pandas over here. And the strawberry, and I think this is the chocolate. Oh, this is vanilla. They have the vanilla. They have the chocolate. They have the strawberry. And then the chocorooms up here for $3.99. And don't forget your Pocky for $2.59. Ooh, Almond Crush. I think this might be a new one. And they have really big bags of Sour Patch Kids and Swedish Fish. These are how many pounds? Oh, almost 2 pounds, 1.9 pounds. All the Pez you could want. Aww. Look at these are new. That's not even the main candy section. We have tons of candy bars here for 99 cents. Gums, 2 for $5, mix or match. A lot of king size candy bars down here for $1.79. Ooh, what are these? Candy mega buttons in raspberry, lemon, and orange, and cherry. They have so much more over here at Dicha. I mean, I could do an hour-long video just for you, showing you all of this candy. But almost everything on this wall, starting from this point on back, it's just 99 cents. 99 cents no matter what. And that's a really nice price. You know you can come here and you can get something for $1. And then they have all the trolleys here, which are 5 for $5. Even some Haribo. What are these? Haribo fruit salad. I've never tried these before. I've tried these before. I don't like these Haribo berries. Oh, alphabet letters. So cute. Harry Potter jelly slugs. Who wants a jelly slug? Ooh. Pizza? Mm-hmm. Pizza and sushi. Nice.
And also they got this, the raindrops candy burger.
Oh yeah, I think I showed the burger last time I came in. Open it up. I don't know if we can.
Nope.
No, we can't open it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this Five Below shop with me. I want to give a special shout out to Melinda, Carolyn, Leah, Anna Laura, Monica, Tina, and Adicha for sharing with me what they wanted to see today in Five Below. So thank you ladies so much for leaving your comment down below. This was a really fun shop with me. I just referred to my list and showed you guys all the things you wanted to see. I didn't even have to use my own brain. But all right, you guys, if you enjoyed this shop with me, please let me know that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.